In today's health-conscious world, having a reliable blender is essential for anyone looking to incorporate more smoothies, shakes, and healthy drinks into their diet. This Koios Blender for Smoothies, with its powerful 1000 watts motor and versatile blending capabilities, stands out as a top contender in the market. This personal blender and grinder combo is designed to meet all your kitchen needs, from making smoothies to grinding coffee beans. In this review, we will delve into its features, performance, ease of use, and overall value, providing a comprehensive overview to help you decide if this blender is right for you. The Koios Blender boasts a sleek and modern design that will complement any kitchen decor. The blender's body is made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The inclusion of non-BPA parts guarantees that your beverages are safe and free from harmful chemicals, making it a great choice for health-conscious users. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. The package includes two 27-aughts portable smoothie cups with to-go lids and a 12-aughts grinding cup with a sealed lid, making it easy to take your drinks with you on the go. Whether you're heading to the office, gym, or a picnic, the Koios Blender's portable design ensures you can enjoy your favorite beverages anywhere. Equipped with a robust 1000 watts motor and operating at 26,000 RPM, the Koios Blender is designed for powerful and efficient blending. This high-speed blender can make smoothies in just 3 to 5 seconds, offering a quick solution for breakfast or afternoon snacks. The motor's strength also ensures that it can handle tough ingredients with ease, providing smooth and consistent results every time. The Koios Blender comes with 2 sets of stainless steel blades, a 6-leaf cross blade for blending smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks, and a 2-leaf flat blade for grinding coffee beans and spices. This versatility allows you to use the blender for a wide range of kitchen tasks, making it a valuable addition to any home. The cyclonic action of the flat blades is particularly effective at breaking down tough ingredients, ensuring a smooth texture in your drinks and perfectly ground coffee or spices. Operating the Koios Blender is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply place your ingredients and liquids into the blender cup, attach it to the base, and rotate it until it locks into place. The blender will automatically start running, allowing you to keep your hands free for other tasks. This intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their experience with kitchen appliances. Cleaning the Koios Blender is a breeze. The detachable parts are easy to disassemble and can be rinsed or placed in the dishwasher for quick and thorough cleaning. The package also includes a cleaning brush to help you reach any tricky spots, ensuring that your blender stays hygienic and ready for the next use. Safety is a top priority with the Koios Blender. The blender is designed to run only when the cup is securely locked into place, preventing any accidental spills or mishaps. This feature adds an extra layer of security, especially for households with children. In conclusion, the Koios Blender for Smoothies is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly appliance that is perfect for anyone looking to make healthy beverages and more. Its robust 1000 watts motor, dual blades, and portable design make it an ideal choice for busy individuals who need a quick and efficient way to prepare their favorite drinks. The comprehensive set of accessories and easy-to-clean design further enhance its value, making it a must-have in any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.